This is Haltwhistle railway station in Cumbria, on the line between Carlisle and Newcastle. It was opened in 1838 by the Newcastle and Carlisle Railway.
Here is a special announcement. A replacement bus service is in operation between...
Haltwhistle became a junction in 1852 when the line to Alston was opened with the impressive viaduct across the River Tyne. Sadly, the line was closed in 1976, although the line further down towards Alston itself has been reopened as a narrow gauge line, and the Society has ambitions to open it all the way up to Haltwhistle. In preparation for this, they've purchased an area of land next to the original platform. The station has a number of historic features, such as the very impressive water tower, which is now used as office accommodation. There's also the surviving water crane and the very fine signal box, which, although it looks in use, is in fact decommissioned. There's also the old wooden shelters, are Grade 2 listed. Haltwhistle has been unstaffed since 1967, but it still has around about 70,000 passenger journeys a year, with a roughly hourly service on weekdays. At the end of the platform is the old water crane. On the other side of the track, this interesting looking shed is presumably the office of the old goods shed, because the wall behind it is all that remains of that once large structure. This is the site of the track bed, the old branch line to Alston. The platform edge can be seen just to the right hand side. Across the River Tyne is the old viaduct for the branch, now used by pedestrians.